Hello and welcome. We are excited that you have chosen to participate in the 100 Million Learners Global Initiative. In this video, you will learn how to navigate all of the key areas for this course. This course is part of the 100 Million Learners Foundational Program. All courses in the Foundational Program are structured in a similar way, so the descriptions of each area and the navigation buttons in this video will apply to your experience regardless of the language or course you choose within this pathway. After you access the course through the Learner Portal, you will begin on the course's homepage. The homepage contains an outline of the course topics and learning activities and allows you to visit any area in the course. You can choose a specific lesson or activity in the course by clicking on it. You can also choose to begin the course in lesson order by clicking Start Course at the top of the homepage. Your progress in this course will save automatically, so you can exit the course at any time. To return to the Learner Portal, just click on the Home button at the top of the page. The first lesson in the course is the Course Welcome, which provides details and important information about the course and how to successfully complete it. It also contains the course syllabus. If you have any questions about the policies, structure, or expectations of this course, the syllabus will answer many of your questions. To advance to the next activity, click the Next button at the bottom of each page, or select a specific activity using the course menu. To quickly navigate the activities in the course menu, you can collapse or expand each of the modules using this button in the top right. In each lesson, you'll find introductions, objectives, videos, and readings on a certain topic. Click, watch, read, and interact with the content as you progress through each lesson. At the end of each lesson, you'll have opportunities to practice what you've learned and to reflect on ways to apply new ideas in your community. You'll also find knowledge checks throughout the course. Knowledge checks help you assess how well you remembered important concepts from the lessons. You'll have multiple attempts on all of these activities, so if you miss several questions, you can review the lessons and try again for a better score. As you advance through the course, an indicator next to the activity titles will update to reflect your progress. Completed activities will show a blue tick mark. The progress bar at the top of the course menu will show your progress for the entire course. Once you have completed all lessons with 100% progress, as well as completed all learning activities with scores of 80% or higher, you will have successfully completed the course. We hope the program is a great experience for you, and best of luck with your studies.